So, for those of you who know, you already know. For those of you who do not know, well, this is probably one of the most well-known red light districts in all of Thailand. We're gonna do this one time. It's loud in there. It's too much, so I'm probably not gonna be talking too much, but here we go. Check it out. So it's so funny. As soon as I come with a camera, they all turn away. They do not like the camera. But when I don't have the camera, they're all over you. I mean, basically, it's just all bars. Every time they see me, they want to do this. I mean, I guess white people like cocaine. I know a lot of white people that do like cocaine, but I'm not one of them. Also, a lot of mega clubs. A lot of Jack Daniels here too, for some reason. It's the only American spirit I've seen. Oh yeah, this is the Australian bar. Very popular. World famous, actually. Ping pong shows everywhere. If you don't know what a ping pong show is, scorpions on a stick, and those are huge fucking scorpions. Oh my god. Pork sausage. It's a weird looking sausage, man. I don't know. Bars, they'll just be having girls at the bar, and guys will go up there, just have a drink with them, like that one I just showed you. They just pay to have a drink with these girls at the bar. It's fucking crazy. Woo! Let's go. Fucking madness, man. Actually not as crazy as these videos make it seem, honestly, but it feels very trashy, for lack of a better term, honestly. It doesn't smell great. It smells fucking...
What happens if you get full exception at the same time?
Oh shit!
At the same time.
No way.
I respect you for doing it here. It's crazy.
Hell yeah!
We're on the same path. Same reason.
Let's go. So as I was saying, look at this. A lot of, okay, so think about Thailand and these islands. that's there. Ah, some real original Rolexes there as well. So, yeah. My goodness. All right, let's get back into the middle here. Girls looking at me weird behind us. They want to be on camera. Look at them to the side of me. They don't want to say anything on camera.
The real goal.
Gotta say, the food here, I'm not a fan of, but the pizza is actually legit. Bangla Road here in Thailand. I mean, you see a lot of videos about it, but honestly, is it really that great? You can decide for yourself. We just did a quick walkthrough, and honestly, it doesn't do it for me. It doesn't do it for you. You might have to come here and find out, but we're walking down one of these streets next to it right now. So here we go. We've got pharmacy, tours, Indian food, massage. I swear, it's all it is. Massage, Indian food, the C sign for Russian girls, cafe. All it is. All it is. I mean, also, don't forget about the tuk-tuks. The other funny thing is it's hard, honestly, not many Americans in this part of the world. It's mainly Aussies, Brits, Russians, Indians. Not many Americans here, honestly, guys. I was expecting to see more, but I have not. Oh, also a lot of shooting ranges. For some reason, everybody wants to have a shooting range on the side of the road.